This is the office of the Festival de Jerez. When you've enrolled for your courses, you come to collect your badge, which entitles you to the shows that happen during the course that you take. So they give you materials such as this, as well as guides and a schedule. Everything's very well organized here. You arrive and get to the office. This is what they will give to you, a very nice folder with lots of material. So for example, you get a schedule, and this shows you all the program of workshops and the time and the place. So you can see it's divided into 2 weeks. So this is the first week, and these are that many courses that take place over the course of the first week. So each day there are about 2 to 3 workshops happening concurrently. Then you get to the second week, so segundo semana, which is in this case 1st of March to the 7th of March. And you can see again, there's in the morning there is these are the morning classes. These are the afternoon 1 o'clock classes, and these are the last classes, which is at 4 p.m. And again, all the concurrent sessions that tell you how many workshops there are at the festival. So many choices for you. And on top of that, you get talleres, also kind of like workshops. And these are different from the dance choreographic workshops. These are actually castanets, compás y palmas. Yeah, so this year there are 2 castanet classes. Yeah. In the folder, you get this really useful little booklet. It's the size of a credit card. You can put it in your pocket. And the great thing is that it summarizes all the many events in the festival, which can be a bit confusing. So you get the dates here, and then all the different kinds of show, like in the venues of Sala Compañía, which is a small size theater. Via Marta is the main theater. Yep. And then you get other venues as well. Sala Paul usually has the more experimental type of shows. Again, Via Marta, the main shows. Marco Flores is performing there. Again, yeah, the dates, the venue, that's the time, the artist, the show. The Peñas are great to attend if you can, because these are the shows by the association, so they're a lot more informal, and you get to see the artist close up. Yeah. And then this is a closure, the Peña, Sala Paul, Sala Compañía, and the main theater at Via Marta. So many shows in one day. You just got to have stamina to, I guess, weather all of them, watch them intently, and still go for your classes the next morning. So that's the ticketing office of the festival. If you've booked tickets, this is where you collect your tickets before you get to the theater. Yeah. Some of the tickets are not included in your course, so if you're buying them separately from the course, you should pick them up there at the theater.